Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we got a suspension part that we're gonna be installing, and we're gonna talk about it real quick. But before we do that, make sure to drop a like on this video, smash that like button for this beautiful S197 right here that we got in the garage. I want to welcome the new subscribers to the channel. I'm seeing that we're slowly growing, and we are only 25 subscribers away from reaching 400. So I'm proud of that. I can imagine 400 people just here watching this car, so that's pretty cool.
853.
No, shit a little dusty right now, but don't worry. We'll clean that whip. My name is Siggy, hence why this channel is called Siggy Media. I like to go to car meets, do car reviews, install car parts and review them. So I'm seeing the support I'm getting on my recent videos, so that just motivates me to create more content. The more subscribers I get, the more videos I'll upload weekly. So stay tuned, guys. Let's talk about the part that we are going to be installing today. We'll open that in a bit, but let's talk about why it's important. Whenever you do lower your S197 Mustang, as you guys can see, mine's already lowered. You got it's lowered on 8-box sport lines lowering spring. It's like about half in 1.5 in the back lowered, and then 1.6 in the front or something like that. I'll drop the spec. When you lower down your Mustang, it shifts your axle, and one of the tires is gonna be sticking out to one side more than the other, and it's typically the driver's side. You guys could pay attention how it's sticking out really bad. It's bruh, it's tucked in. Another angle, well, it's pretty noticeable. Even from the top, tire sticks out a lot. This is the tire. And what's crazy is that I already had installed an adjustable Panhard bar from RTR, but that was 4 years ago, and this is actually a 4-year review. You guys don't get these a lot. So I went to AmericanMuscle.com, right, and I read the reviews, and they had a similar problem with mine. I tried adjusting this, right. I unlocked both of the locking nuts or whatever, and it didn't budge. It wasn't moving, so that's why I got a new one. And the same thing happened to him. I'll post a screenshot. Alright, we got the car all on jack stand, and don't roast me, guys. I already know you guys are gonna roast me, but look what happened. It was there, and another spot, and right here, bruh. I can already hear the comments, bro. Go ahead, roast me in the chat, bro. I don't care. I deserve it. I wasn't looking, I wasn't paying attention, but I already got quoted by the shop.
Guy stinks! Hey, funny guy! I got a joke for you!
Still looks good. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this real quick. Should be as easy as removing those bolts right there. Right there, 1, 2 right there, boy. Damn, people be sipping it around here. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. We got Alright. Your instructions, here it is. This premium bar. I know some brushings need to be greased, but these don't need to be lubricated, so we're all good. Yeah, these you don't need to lubricate or grease up, so should be ready to install. Shout out to Whiteline, you know, for the quality product. So that's all you got. That's why I buy the car parts, just for the sticker. Alright, we got the 18mm wrench. Let's go ahead and remove this bad boy. Bro, I wish I had a lift. It's loose. Need a better angle for this shit. I'll be back. Okay, it's getting loose. Better not hit my elbow. This position was better. Come to daddy. There you go. Gonna do the same to the other one too. Bruh, it was not as easy as removing those two bolts because the sway bar link was not allowing this bolt right here. You see, boom. It wasn't allowing it to come out because it was on the way, so I had to remove that. I mean, it was pretty easy, but it was just not two bolts. It's never just two bolts. Alright, let's remove this bad boy. Oh shit. Let me use both hands. Shit. I think I'm gonna need a pry bar. Oh shit. Here we have it. The RTR one. You guys have it. This is what 4 years of abusing your car looks like. Not too much abusing, but what do you guys say? Was she done for already? Look at that. I was struggling to get that loose. Very interesting. I wonder if it even budges anymore. But it's 4 years old. Let's go. It's time for a new one, I think. You know, you gotta upgrade your suspension parts. I've heard bad stories about the BMR ones. I'll post some screenshots. Man, someone help me fix this light. It's over here giving me a fucking stroke. I'm gonna start. You're just gonna see me. To adjust this, you just gotta loosen up these nuts right here on both sides and twist this, and it should adjust. We want to go ahead and bring it back this way, so let's do that. So as you can tell, you can move it from both sides. It's pretty cool. To make sure to have it like the same length, and then adjust it once it's on the car. You want to adjust it once it's on the car because once it's lifted, and if you don't have like a flat lift, you can't really tell because the tires are sticking out. I'll bring a rubber mallet. Maybe I should put that side first. Ooh, it went in like butter. Let's do this right now. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's money. That's money right there. Once again, guys, if you guys want to lower down your S197 more than an inch, I highly recommend this because this is what I mean. The tire sticks out. I'm gonna show you more what I'm talking about with the time-lapse camera, the time warp, or the GoPro. I'm gonna go ahead and show you so you guys can see how the wheel's gonna tuck in on that side. Let's fix that. And all you do is by twisting this little metal thing to one side. I don't know which is. I'm gonna figure it out.
Huh?
Alright guys, I think that is it. They are kind of sticking out about the same. Alright, let's go ahead and turn Ruby on, get her off one more piece of wood to have her leveled up. See how she's looking now. Can't get over the long tube headers, guys. This one's freaking sticking out more. Whatever. I'm gonna have to fix that, bro. It's already late. I'm hungry. Hope it helped, guys. I am gonna have to be adjusting that again because I saw I didn't really get the measurements right, you know, because it wasn't even, and whatever. It's already late. I got the hard part done, which was installing it. The easy part is adjusting it. That's why, like I said, you guys need this part if you guys want to lower your S197 Mustang. And you could get away with it, but you are gonna have some issues, or like I did. Now I can solve them. So yeah, guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like, drop a comment. I read all of them, and I'll catch you guys till next time.